I look stupid to you. Is that a trick question?
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What's Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Alright, before we get to this vid, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint. You already know, you see by the video description, there's gonna be an on foot. Now, one of them standstills that you might be used to, but if you're down with the mob, you already know. Top 5, I ain't never lied. Word. Anyway, before we do get into the joint, got a pick up from, got a package came in from Into the AM. You already know you can use my link below, save 10% off your purchase. Also, they do have a t-shirt club where my discount code is WAVY80. First month's free, and then after that, I believe it's like $14.99 a month. Like I said, first t-shirt on the house.
Hell, man. Thanks, Ray.
Then you're gonna keep getting a t-shirt and monthly, and the month after that. I appreciate everybody that signed up for that joint. And I think somebody beat me to the punch on this joint that I'm about to bag right quick. Okay. COVID time to cover your face and all that. So, got a COVID mask, like some panties. Nah, got a COVID mask, you already know. Boom, here's a joint right here. It works just like this. Okay. Yeah. Alright, bet. Word. You can never have enough of these joints right here. One thing I need to hit on these masks is, these actually can be washed and reused, which is very important at times like this, where we run around with them dirty masks, you know what I'm saying? And right now they're going 3 for 30. Use my 10%. My math is bad, but you saving. Word. Oh, yo, and shout out to Tech Kicks. You beat me to the punch on these joints, man. Ow. Definitely got to get a flick in this joint. Word. Yo, again, shout out to Into the AM. You already know. Link below. Save 10%. If they got a sale, you saving 10% upon that. And they got that t-shirt club. Use my discount code WAVY80 and first month's free. You can get that tee. All right, so let's get into the sneaks.
Turn up the bass.
Oh, hope that works. I can't do it again. Word. So, yo, I got this pickup from, you already know, Stadium Goods. This is the Air Max Plus TN joints. I see this thing right here. It's kind of bothering me. It's like it's going to come off. The retail on these joints was $160, but let me tell a little story right quick.
Hit it.
We'll get into how much I paid for these joints, but they are size 10. Well, hold up. Let's unbox them first. My bad. I'm going backwards. Air Max Plus TN, size 10. Y'all know how to read. Word. Anyway. Unbox. Anyway, so yeah, man, for years I have been wanting a pair of these, but I've always been torn in between the two. Size 10? Okay, cool. What else? But yeah, I've always been torn in between the two with these, not knowing which colorway that I wanted to get. Back when I was in high school, they had the blue joints, and they had this like this sunrise type orange, yellow joint, and I was like, man, I really, like I said, I didn't know what joint I wanted to cop, so I kept just like letting them pass me by. So finally I seen they came out with the greedy joints with this split colorway right here, and I was like, yo, best of both worlds right here. Word. So I'm gonna put this down so I can accidentally get a thumbnail, like it or not. But anyway, yeah, man. So what made me want to cop these? All right, I was influenced by, shout out to Flyest Trucker, the Flyest Trucker, on IG. Check his joints out. He always be clean with them on feet, and he'll take about 70 pictures per night. But I'm glad he did, because it was like he took a lot of pictures per sneak. Well, for the sneaker right here. And I started looking at them joints, and I was like, dang, I'm liking how he's throwing the fists together and everything. I said, man, I need these joints. So I think I started looking. I saw Foot Locker had them for about $129 or something. And I just kept procrastinating, because I was like, oh, snap, I could throw my 15% on top of that. But like I said, I just kept bullshitting. And what happened was, I really did want them. StockX was okay. eBay was crazy. And I finally saw that Stadium Goods had these joints for like $129. So I first put out to everybody like, yo, anybody got a StockX coupon code? Because I was looking for a discount code or something. And they just didn't have them.
So instead, I chill.
Stadium Goods, they actually had a sale, and it was like a 10 or 50% sale. So I'm like, bet, let me go check it out. So what they tried to do, they tried to rock the sleep and have that 129, well, have the like 160, and they crossed out like 129, like, they go, you 15.
Do I look stupid to you?
These been 129, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of forgot about them, put them to the back, pause, and then they came back. I got the alert that they came back. So I found a site. I think it's like some student joint. I forget. Students get, if you got like a university email address, students get 5%. I know 5% ain't nothing, but you get free shipping too.
Yeah, I dig that.
You know what I'm saying? Word. So I ended up paying $130 flat for these joints. And these are my first pair of Air Max Plus TNs right here. Not gonna do a review, just gonna show y'all some looks on the B-roll and stuff like that. Let me know if y'all cop these or if y'all got a pair. I think my next pair, I'll just go ahead and cop those purple ones. I do like those as well. Can't wait to put these on, see how they fit, see how they hit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm glad with these. Yo, 130, you know what I'm saying? You can't beat that, word up. But anyway, man, enough of the talking. You already know, man, about to get up in that. On foot, top 5 best on foot on YouTube. You already know, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, man, for real. Shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been commenting, liking, supporting. Appreciate you. Word. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that's Snuff. It's your boy Wavy, you already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
Tell them, damn, paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Yeah. Oh, this fucking paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Oh, this fucking paper route. Wow. Oh, this fucking paper route. Bitch, I'm on my paper route. Oh, this fucking paper. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Tell them. Woo. Like a, yeah. Tell them bums leave me alone. Cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I'm on a paper route. I just let my whole steam pop and catch the hook breeze. Checks is coming in now. I fuck up a good thing, promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hook brings. Talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoying it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, then I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies, never gave to me. So ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice flow, that's just how the dice roll. Nigga, I am ice cold. They should call me Dice Cube, and I'm nothing like you. Put a thing in like you. Bang. Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I'm on a paper route. Funny niggas I can never stand by. I promise that career's gon' be on standby. Everybody landslide. Stick you in the morning, put your hands out. I'm early for that paper like your grandpa. You wouldn't understand. Silly puppets bragging like they changed up. And whether up or down, I never changed up. You should be the same, bro. Plenty bills, we got them hanged up. That itty bitty still leave you stained up. About to switch the game up. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about an island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Last night I had a beautiful night. Dream about an island on fire. What a beautiful sight. Ooh. Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I'm on a paper route. Tell them bums leave me alone, cause I'm on my paper route. Friends they come and they go, but I keep that paper route. When them ones hit the floor, girl, pick up that paper now. Tell them ones leave me alone, cause I wanna pay the ride.
Man, I wish that nigga was here. Y'all, let me tell you something. He's the best. Like, fuck Khaled. That nigga let you know every verse.